Ayurveda, the precious gift of India to the world, is one of the most ancient systems of medicine. Today, more and more people from across the world are realizing the importance and the unique benefits that Ayurveda offers.
Owing respect to Ayurveda, in the year 2002, Latte Education Society established a medical college and a hospital by the name of the great saint of Jain community, Acharya Deshbhushan Ayurvedic Medical College.
Acharya Deshbhushan Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital is located at Bedkihal Shamnewadi in Karnataka state, which is just 20 kilometers from Nipani and Ichalkaranji and very well connected to Pune-Bangalore National Highway.
Latte Education Society was established in the remembrance of late Anna Sahib Latte. He was the first finance minister of Mumbai state, supported by the Chikodi Sadalga constituency. Acharya Deshbhushan Ayurvedic Medical College is founded with the purpose to spread the awareness and knowledge of Ayurveda and to generate more physicians who will practice Ayurveda.
The institute is affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences of Karnataka, Bangalore, and it is recognized by the Central Council of Indian Medicine and Ayush, New Delhi. It is built with the sacrifice and efforts of Sri Kallapanna Avade, the President of Latte Education Society, Sri Suresh Patil, the Chairman, and all other members of the Managing Committee. Under their leadership, Acharya Deshbhushan Ayurvedic Medical College is fast progressing and aims to secure the top position. The principal and all teaching staff are equally committed to this vision and they contribute the best to the progress of the institute and the students.
Acharya Deshbhushan Ayurvedic Medical College attracts attention of the people, beginning with its spacious and airy campus, spread over 10 acres of land, which is simply eye-catching. The separate buildings for the college, the hospital, and for the boys and girls hostels are well designed and thoughtfully built. The herbal garden in the campus, having more than 300 herb varieties, is one of the important features of the college.
The basics of Sanskrit and Ayurveda are taught to the students right in the beginning of the first year. Theory and practical of various subjects of Ayurveda, along with the basics of modern medicine, are then suitably conducted in Sanskrit, Hindi, and English through its 14 well-equipped departments with qualified and trained staff.
Let us now glance over to these departments. The first department is Ayurvedic Maulik Siddhant. In this department, the basic principles of Charak, Sushruta, and Vagbhat Samhitas of Ayurveda are taught.
Sharir Rachana is the second, where anatomy of human body is taught and students are exposed to the dissection of dead bodies to learn the same.
Human physiology is taught in the Sharir Kriya department, which has an attached pathological laboratory.
Dravya Gun department provides the detailed knowledge about each of the Ayurvedic medicine.
The knowledge of minerals is taught at the Rasashastra Bhaishajya Kalpana department, and the preparation of herbo-mineral medicines is shown with the help of practical.
Roga Nidan, Ethiopathology department teaches planning of the treatment with respect to the disease and the condition of the patient.
Swasthavritta is a unique branch of Ayurveda, which prescribes the ways of healthy living, social behavior, and healthy food habits.
Agad Tantra is a branch that teaches dealing with Ayurvedic toxicology, medical jurisprudence, post-mortem, and various poisonous conditions.
Gynecology and obstetrics are covered in Ayurveda under the Stri Rog Prasuti Tantra department.
Kaumara Bhritya deals with pediatrics and the related diseases and their treatment.
Kaya Chikitsa is the department of Ayurvedic general medicine, looking into the general lifestyles and the various disorders.
Ayurvedic surgery and surgical procedures are taught in the Shalya department.
Shalakya is a branch related to ENT and ophthalmology, dealing with the disorders of ear, nose, throat, and eyes, including the surgical intervention.
Panchakarma, the unique and well-known department of Ayurveda, advocates detoxifying procedures like Vamana, Virechana, Basti, Nasya, and Rakta Mokshana. Abhyanga, Shirobasti, Shirodhara, and various steam bath methods are practiced respective to the disorders.
Through this well-designed and well-equipped 14 departments of the college, the students are taught and well-trained in the methods of Ayurvedic science.
Acharya Deshabhushan Ayurvedic Medical College has produced many scholars who have today occupied top positions in various parts of the country.
The college also has a well-equipped and spacious digital library, a good collection of books of Ayurvedic and modern medicine. The college is equipped with the latest audio-visual teaching facility and subscribes to several medical journals that keep the students updated with the recent advancements and research.
The institute also offers opportunities to participate in NSS or different cultural activities that encourage all-round development of the students.
Let us now have a look into the hospital premises and the related facilities.
An attractive reception counter at the entrance with the caring staff is always ready to help the patients. The separate OPDs are designed for different departments like Kaya Chikitsa, Kaumarya Britya, Stri Roga Prasuti, Shalya, Shalakya, Casualty, Panchakarma, and Ayurvedic pharmacy.
The IPD of the hospital is designed to accommodate 100 beds with a specially designed ICU facility and diagnostic departments like X-ray, sonography, and a pathological laboratory, all under one roof.
Well-designed, spacious, and well-equipped major and minor operation theatres and labor room is a specialty of the hospital.
The Panchakarma section offers specially designed rooms for the procedures like Vamana, Virechana, Basti, Raktamokshana, Abhyanga, Shirodhara separately for male and female patients.
Acharya Deshabhushan Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital conducts health checkup and health awareness camps in the nearby villages at a subsidized cost to serve the poor and to create awareness about Ayurveda.
The ailments like paralysis, osteoarthritis, musculoskeletal conditions, diabetes, obesity, ophthalmic conditions, piles, fistula, and various skin disorders are successfully treated at this hospital.
In the coming years, Acharya Deshabhushan Ayurvedic Medical College aims to introduce post-graduation courses in Ayurveda.
Acharya Deshabhushan Ayurvedic Medical College is a venture of the passionate members of Latte Education Society, committed to develop the institute and to promote Ayurveda.
Ayurveda is a precious treasure, very from ancient India. It is a glory of our India. As a principal, I assure you from myself and my faculty members that we will try our level best for global futures of our students.
Spacious premises, huge buildings, well-designed infrastructure, experienced staff, and an excellent learning environment are the main features of the college. The institute is shaping careers of the students with practical knowledge of Ayurveda, helping them to reach to the top.
The mission of Acharya Deshabhushan Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital is to serve people with Ayurvedic medicine and to help them living a healthy life with proper knowledge about health. You are invited to be a part of this mission by securing admission to a degree in Ayurveda.
Step into the world of Ayurveda by stepping into Acharya Deshabhushan Ayurvedic Medical College.